Afternoon, welcome. This is Jamb here. 2013 government past question. Question number 24 says, under the Emirate system, the commander of the army is dash. Under the Emirate system, the commander of the army is dash. It simply means that who was in charge of the army in the Hausa Fulani pre-colonial system. So option A say Akale, B say Akimi, C say Saki father, D say Madawaki. So the person that is in charge of the army in the Hausa Fulani system is Madawaki. So option D is correct. Thank you, and kindly subscribe for more of our videos.